y'all, Nikea here, and I'm here with my Sunday reset video. It's gonna be nice, comfy, cozy. This is my teacher reset, but I will let you all know up front, 99.9% of the time, I do not do any work at home. If it can't get done between my work hours, it's not gonna get done. So my Sunday reset is all about getting me and my family ready for the week so that we have to do a few less little things and just to make our life easier, and so that we can spend more time together and have more time for ourselves as well. On this journey. Right now, I'm starting in my room because I did my deep clean for the new year, so my space looks so much better. But of course, I still have some clothes and things all over the place from the past few days of getting ready and just ripping and running in the morning. So now I'm just gonna tidy up in my room and get my outfit together for the next week. So that helps me to save time in the mornings and have to do less throughout the week. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want to prove, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You want to get with me. Thank God for that deep clean that I did, because that gave me a really good base to start off my room with. That wasn't difficult at all. By no means is it like super like show ready, but I can move around. I'm not tripping over stuff on the floor. So now I can pick out my outfits for the week. This week is actually a short week because we have a holiday on Monday and then we have a teacher work day on Friday, which is optional. This week has 2 days of testing and we're allowed to dress down and wear jeans. And then on Thursday starts the new semester. So I get a new batch of kids. So we have to go back to our normal dress code, which some people don't even wear business. But I'm going to do what Nikea does. What I typically do is hang up my clothes right here. These are not my outfits for the week. Usually I check the weather first. So this is the upcoming week. There's our temperature. So it's going to be pretty cold. I'm going to be inside, see, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I can wear chill clothes Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. So, yeah. But I don't know. For the first day, I also, want to dress up. But it's like the first day of the semester, and then they have a day off because of the teacher work day. So I think I'm going to stick with this chill. So I'm going to actually wear these wide leg black pants. And I'm probably going to do my classic red lip. And both of these are from Amazon The Drop. I signed Blake. So there's that outfit. I think I'm going to save this outfit for filming. Okay, y'all. I got it together. These pants with this shirt. Keeping it chill. I'll wear a pair of sneakers. My Seek Jesus hoodie. And maybe some black jeans or some wide leg jeans. So my outfits are picked out and I will iron them beforehand, but I'm just going to hang them up on the door. They're there, ready to go. Now it's time to get the girls together. I take Ellerie to childcare every morning, so she gets up bright and early. I saw my morning routine during Vlogmas. If you did not, go watch my winter morning routine. So I get myself ready, get the car started, get everything inside the car before I even get her up. And sometimes she'll stay asleep. So I just like to have everything prepared, get her outfits out for the week as well. So she'll only be going to childcare 3 days this week because for teacher work day, she can come with me. There's no need to drop her off. Yeah, so let me hang my stuff up and then we'll go into Ellerie's room. Probably need to tidy up a little bit in there as well too. I probably caused the most mess in here because I get her ready in the morning. So it's actually not too bad. I've been doing good. We did our little deep clean reset in here, so that's amazing. There's just a few socks and stuff on the floor. Alright, so Ellerie already actually has an outfit ready to wear because she didn't go on Friday. So that's one. Let's look into her closet. See what we got, Ellerie.
I just see Ellerie. I just two.
Okay, that's two. We need one more. I feel like it can also be worn as pajamas, but this week it's gonna be an outfit. Boom. That was easy for Ellerie. Like I said, I try to keep her room clean. Okay. Nice and tidy. Ellerie, say hi. Alright, let's go get my Harper together. Alright, now we're in Harper's room. She's not the best picker-upper. So, by the end of the week, her room is a little messy. So, while I pick out her outfit, get her outfits together, I'm going to have her tidy up. She's actually going to probably need to do laundry this weekend because it's full. Okay? You don't have a lot to do, Harper. You just got to tidy up the dresser and get that stuff off your bed because you've actually been doing a good job. Harper's mad at me, but I told her it's not going to take long. Harper has 4 days this week. Harper, you could do this dress with your boots.
Not 4 days. Just one.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
No, we don't have school on Friday.
It's still a teacher work day. You have to go to aftercare, forecare, whatever it's called. Okay. Alright, Harper got some new furry boots that she's obsessed with, or you can wear your Uggs with this. That'd be cute. So that's one outfit. Even though I pick out all of Harper's outfits, if they need ironing or anything, she takes care of that. Alright, just pulling out some shorts for her to wear under these. And then Harper has these lovely drawers that I got custom made for her. And we'll even put her shoes in here too. They fit. Alright, Harper got her room together. Now she's reading to her sister. Oops. But there we go. Tidied up. Outfits picked. She will be doing her laundry. Y'all, this reset is so necessary because if I don't reset on Sundays, Monday will absolutely humble me. So right now I'm doing the laundry. These are Ellerie's cloth diapers. Yes, I'm a mom, a black mom who cloth diapers. So every Sunday I wash them and then I stuff them and get them ready for the next day so that I don't have to do that in the morning, and I go ahead and pack her diaper bag. Because I feel like a Sunday reset has to start at home and having a clean space so that I can think clearly and make less decisions early in the morning when my brain is barely functioning. So I typically pack 5 cloth diapers for her to go to the sitter, and then I have 1 for in the morning, and that gets us through the day. This Sunday, I did have some laundry to wash and fold, and I don't do laundry every single Sunday, but of course sometimes it's necessary because of course it always happens where something that I need is dirty or something that Harper needs to be clean. So I decided to go ahead and fold this load, and I tried to do just a little bit at a time and not try to do everything at once. So my goal is I put a load in the wash, I put it in the dryer, and I won't start another load until I folded the previous one, because otherwise it's not going to get done, or everything's just going to sit in the basket all day for weeks and weeks and weeks. Next, of course, is meal prepping. Simple lunches save so much time during the week, and this is something that the family and I can eat for dinner as well. I also pack a breakfast. So Sunday nights, I get my lunches together. I pack Ellerie's lunches and her breakfast. And I also make sure that Harper packs her lunch. So Harper eats the same thing for lunch for a week. So I let her know what to pack and she prepares it herself. And then when she comes home from school, she'll wash out her lunchbox and refill it for the next day. But this was a simple meal of chicken, mashed potatoes, and Brussels sprouts. So I try to keep it simple with a protein, a carb or grain or starch, and then of course a veggie. And I use Pinterest to help get all my recipes. I'm ending this Sunday night with a bit of self-care, and I'm able to do my full skincare routine. Sunday nights are for taking a moment for myself and pouring back into me. So the kids are asleep and I can take a few moments to just be by myself and take care of me after I've done everything for everyone else, because you cannot pour from an empty cup. All right, y'all, that is my Sunday teacher reset routine. I'm so excited on a Sunday night, kind of get it done early with my skincare, have some moments to myself. Whew. So now I can just relax and get in bed. So the things that I do on Sunday help make my week just a little bit easier. Resetting the house, getting the kids ready for the week, getting myself ready for the week, meal prepping, and then just having a little bit of skincare time. It's just some me time. And this is probably the one day a week where I do my full skincare routine, because usually it's just like wash and moisturize and go to bed. But if you enjoyed this Sunday reset, make sure that you comment down below, thumbs up this video, and subscribe. And if you're watching this and doing your Sunday reset with me, go ahead and comment Sunday reset below. As you can see, this is a teacher reset, but it doesn't involve any teachering because I set boundaries. I do not work at home. This is my time to get myself ready for the busy week ahead. But thank you again so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all. Good night, and have a great week.